into our base shader, I want to go ahead and show you what happens if we use this matcap in a matcap shader. And a matcap shader does not take the lighting into consideration. So let me first find one. So this is a pure matcap shader, and I already have a different matcap in there. So this is our SS matcap. As you can see, you have your shadows kind of around the edges, and as we get closer towards the center of the character, it starts to get brighter and turn white. But between those two areas, we have a reddish hue. Now this does not take the light direction into consideration, because if I say rotate my light, as you can see, there's stuff changing, but the lighting on the character doesn't change. So this is a true matcap shader, and the only thing it takes in consideration is view direction. As you can see, as I change the view direction, the lightest part is always in the center. Now, it's basically kind of still going to be this way when we make our own shader. The only difference is that it won't be so visible. It will be an overlay over the diffuse texture, and it won't take in consideration the light source, at least it shouldn't. But there are some modifications that can be done that kind of make it move with the lighting, and that's when you start working with ramps that are not circular. So let's hit edit. Okay, so in this matcap shader, what makes it basically behave this way is this matcap lookup stuff, but I'll get back to that in a second. So let's first get to our regular shader, so it's time to start coding. So I want to put the so I think I want to put the matcap texture below the rim power. So we're going to start here. So just copy this. We're going to just be doing a lot of copying and pasting. So you want to copy that, hit paste. You want to turn this into, let's call it matcap. Call it, name it ramp. Change this to gray, so it'll be a gray color instead of white. Then we're going to copy also copy the bump depth, and we're going to change this into matcap range. Call it ramp strength. We're going to make this range actually 0 to 2, and we're going to make the standard one the standard strength 1. Now I usually like to add comments to whatever I'm adding to this the standard shader, which was originally a Unity cookie shader. So I'm going to call this fake and fake subsurface scattering strength Okay, so as you can see, you have to have a sampler 2D and a half for. So basically I just copy and paste instead of writing everything new, and I'm going to take that matcap, you copy and paste that where the bump mat was. Oops. Make sure you add a semicolon. And take this matcap and then copy and paste here. And you want to leave that ST on. So also comment don't need any more structs here. I don't think you need any here. There is something that has to be added here, but before we do that, I want to copy the text, paste it below here, replace everything that's saying its main text with matcap. Let's see, was that capitalized? Yes, it was. Then call this cap or MC cap, MCap. Don't need to do anything there. Don't need to do anything here. So where do we want to put the matcap? So we're not going to add it into the diffuse section, and we're not going to add it into the specular section. We're going to just add it down here. There to go. And cap times text, which is the main diffuse color, times the light final color. And as for what's going on up here,